Some secured credit cards allow you to check eligibility or apply online in minutes, but no credit card can guarantee instant approval because issuers still review your application information before making a decision. By the end, you'll know how secured cards work, what affects approval speed, and what to check before choosing a card for rebuilding credit. A secured credit card works differently from a traditional credit card because it usually requires a security deposit. That deposit helps reduce risk for the card issuer and can make these cards more accessible for people with limited or damaged credit history. Cards such as Discover It Secured and Opensky are examples of secured credit products that people often compare when looking for easier approval options. The right choice depends on the card's current requirements, fees, and account features. If you are looking for a faster approval process, start by checking the application requirements before submitting anything. Some issuers provide pre-qualification tools that let you see possible offers without starting a full application. Your approval decision can depend on several details. The first factor is your credit profile. A credit report with missed payments, collections, or limited history can affect how issuers view your application. The second factor is your income information. Issuers use the details you provide to determine whether the account fits your financial situation. The third factor is accuracy. Small mistakes in your application, such as incorrect personal information, can slow down the review process. Before applying, gather your identification details, verify your income information, and review your credit reports for errors. Getting approved is only the first step. The goal of a secured card is building a stronger credit history through responsible use. Paying your balance on time and keeping your spending manageable are the actions that help create positive payment history. When comparing secured cards, look beyond the approval process. Check whether the card reports account activity to credit bureaus, review the fees, and see whether the issuer offers a future upgrade path. The easiest card to get approved for is not always the best long-term choice. A card with reasonable terms and features that support credit building can be more valuable over time. To summarize, secured cards can be a useful option for rebuilding credit. Approval speed depends on your application details, and comparing card features matters before applying. Your next step is to review your options carefully and choose a card you can manage consistently. If this guide helped you understand secured cards better, like the video and subscribe for more credit tips.